my god. My ankle's never done that.
Well, then adjust your shoulder. There we go. And your ankle. You good?
Yeah.
Did you fall down your lower back at all?
Not bad.